with y'all, Mike.
Welcome. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Stan TV. Alright, this girl right here is getting an update on the exhaust. Finally got the Jpipe, so now we finally get to see what the exhaust sounds like with the Jpipe, because I didn't have it before. And now we do. Went through like a lot of stuff. So basically, what ended up happening was that I guess since we lowered her a little bit more to actually fit a little nice, you know what I'm saying? The back down pipe actually got unbolted, and it was like sounding like a nasty old trucker, like Harley Davidson, as two of my compadres have called it. I don't like y'all. Anyways. Yes, so Jpipe. I went with the ATLP Jpipe instead of the RV6 Jpipe. The RV6 sounded a tad bit more raspy than the ATLP with a bit more of a groan. You know what I'm saying? Box right there. Had to get new bolts for everything. Everything's right there. You know what I'm saying? Hoping everything's gonna be all copacetic. Got lucky right after work. No one's here at the shop. They're about to take a nap. They said, hey, pull up. And, you know, now we get to pay again for it. But I would have installed it myself. But last night when I got it, I realized that because I have the custom exhaust already, my cat is already cut out, so like I gotta be welded on now. So like he about to make magic. I need to do welding, but I'm gonna let him do this and we'll be back. Speed bumps. I'm not gonna lie. This is a good day. This shirt, ready to wear this shirt. I'm not gonna lie to you. They got some meaning behind it's going too smooth actually. Now I'm getting scared. Now what's gonna happen? Oh my gosh. Oh. My wallet.
Tranquilo. Ya está. Tranquilo, va a estar todo bien.
It makes sense. And look at it too. Look at this. In what world would we find the same exact one?
Exactly. Bam. Magic.
LS Challenger? Mr. Cool Guy, yo, why you recording me recording you? Why you recording me recording you? Alright. VTech. Yes, sir. Full custom new exhaust. Again. Ah, hit my head on that thing. Ooh, look at this. You see these welds? Albert, you did that, right?
Yes, sir.
My man Albert, yes sir.
30 years experience. Only 30 years experience, that's all.
Look at that. Hit the dip. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Yo. You see this? I'm glad we found that. This looks amazing. This is beautiful. Stock exhaust. Boost control. This is nice. So when we put in the race car? Not yet? No?
Not a race car, it's a daily.
Oh yeah. Wait, this a daily?
Yeah. I'll crank it up. Not loud.
This is the daily?
All my cars are dailies.
We only get one. Stand by the well. We only get one. Hold up. Yo. Oh, I think I got lucky today. This is really a lucky day. Yeah, he said this was this.
Blow valve underneath the car. You see that shit? What is it? I'm lying. That's a suspension.
They have headphones in here. Noise cancellation. That's how loud this shit is. Love electric, huh?
Love electric?
So you know he drive it daily. It's there now. Sad. I know you're lying, bruh. Stay on the car. Stay on the car. Stay on the car.
You are fucking.
You fucking you bloody.
You bloody.
Fuck you bloody. Bastard bitch.
You
Fuck you.
bastard,
Fuck
you.
you. Bloody.
Alright, cool. Alright. What the fuck going on?
I don't know, bro. Got cops making U-turns and shit.
Where?
In front of us.
Thank God it's brother. Not gonna catch us? Stupid. Dummy. Oh, wait. Right.
Yeah, you're lame, my boy. Nigga, he getting a car wash. Nigga, what the fuck? Oh my god. What the fuck? Hey, yo. I'm calling your mom, nigga. I'm telling your mama, nigga. I'm telling your mama.